In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make $100 a day with using apps. I'm going to give you 4 apps. All of these apps will be in the description below for you to download, and you're going to have a certain amount of promotions. So when you certain amount of promotions that can help you make extra money when you go through my link. So read the description below and read the bonuses that come with going through my link. So all of these apps will be in the description below. You just want to read over the information, but we're going to be talking about these apps. Let me put this income disclaimer. I've made all of this money on my own. No app gave me any of this money. No app paid me a promotion. No app did any of that. I promote these apps on my own. I make the money with these apps on my own. I do the tasks in these apps to make the money on my own. I want to make that very, very clear because, there's no brand deals. I have 2,000 subscribers, by the way, so I don't even have enough to do a brand deal, if we're going to be honest about it. I've made this money directly through my efforts, and I'm going to show you my exact strategy on how to do that a little bit later in this video. So you want to watch this video to the end. But I just want to put the disclaimer out there because a lot of people say things in the comments and that are not true. And also I want to say, if you guys have gotten results with these apps, and I know a lot of you have because I've been reading you guys' comments, comment on this video, let people know that this is real, tell them how much you've made. And as this video get more and more views, you guys can come back if you're still a little skeptical, and you can just read these comments. I have people making over $500 a month with these apps, even a little bit more. So everything that I teach, everything that I present to people, people go out there and get their own results with. So if you're wondering if I'm the real deal, I am the real deal. I'm just going to tell you up front, and I'm actually going to show you payment proof, and you definitely want to subscribe to my channel because the information that I give you, no other internet marketer is really presenting this information and presenting it in an easy, digestible way that I'm doing it right now. So that's that. Gotta go ahead and get those disclaimers out of there just so we won't have any problems. I'm in my PayPal account right now, and these little 25-cent payments are from an app called OneQ. I'll leave that as sort of as a bonus. It pays me around 25 cents per referral that I refer. It's an app that allows you to, earn money by answering questions and by referring people. So I'll leave that in the description. Is it worth it? These 25-cent payments do come in handy. They do make $1. 25 cent to 4.25-cent payments equal $1. So I would say it's pretty worth it to, take a look at it. Nothing too outrageous. This is from AppFlame. This is a $20 payment. This is in euros right now, because this pays in euros. This is pretty much the app that is worldwide. Dash is another app. I will actually go to and show you Dash real quick. Like I said, this link will be in the description below. If you are on desktop, you will basically hit one of these, and you can install it on your phone, and you choose which device you want to install it on. So basically you come in here, and when you go through my link and you go and you download this app, you register for it. You register, you confirm your email, you do all of that. When you link a card, this is a cashback app that allows you to it allows you to link a card and get cash back, simply by making purchases that you're already making purchases at. Making purchases at stores that you're already making purchases at. I'll give you an example. Last night I ate at Pizza Hut. Just a normal day. I like Pizza Hut. I got around 3% cash back just by having my card linked to Dash. Simple. It's not hard. And so what these brands get in contact with Dash and say, hey, I want some more business. Here is some money to pay people to actually, to pay people. This is money that I'm going to give you in order to pay people cash back when they shop at my store. So it's bringing them more foot traffic in. So once you shop at the store, if it's nearby, it takes 3 to 5 business days for you to get your cash back. If you're shopping online, it takes a little bit longer. Once you get your cash back, it goes into what you call a wallet. You can then transfer that wallet directly to PayPal, which I'm on right here. You can see Dash paid me March 29th, but I take most of my payments from Dash through Venmo. And I'm actually going to show you some proof in Venmo in a second. But once you get your cash back, and once you have over $25, you can then withdraw your money directly to your PayPal account, debit card, or whatever. And you also get paid to refer. So if you have people that constantly dine at these places, you can make ads targeting those people. Say, hey, you eat Pizza Hut. Here's a way you can earn some cash back by eating at Pizza Hut. You put in your referral link, and I'm actually going to show you where to find people who want to make money online. But this is just targeting people that eat at Pizza Hut. You can say, hey, this app pays you for eating, pays you a percentage of your Pizza Hut transaction back. Download this app. You give them your link. They sign up. You get paid $5 when they link a verified debit or credit card. The more people you get to link a verified debit or credit card, and the more people you get to start earning cash back with Dosh, the more money you're going to make. Hence, that's why I make a whole lot of money with Dosh, because a lot of people need this, and it also pays. So there's tons of payment proof. I don't know how much. I'm pretty sure they paid out over $1 million in cash back by now. They have hundreds of stores, a lot of people, and if you just research Dosh every you actually look it up, it's a lot of people that made thousands of dollars with Dosh. So it's not hard for me to promote Dosh, or give people to get into Dosh or sign up, because Dosh is making a whole lot of money. And is also paying a whole lot of members money, and a whole lot of people are making money with it. So like I said, you transfer your money directly to your PayPal bank account, Venmo, or charity, or any charity of your choice. And that's simple. That's Dosh. This is a really simple app. You can get people to sign up. Okay, Society is a new one that I've been testing out. You can see I made $85 right here and $93 right here. That app allows you to basically take quizzes on different upcoming TV events, and if the more you get correct, the bigger piece of the pot you get. And matter of fact, let me just go ahead and open up my phone, so we can go ahead and just get this over with and actually show it to you guys, show you more information. Give my phone a second to load up. Okay, so if I go to Society is an app that allows you, like I said, to watch these different TV shows, and they pay you a percentage when you get the correct answers right for their particular episode. Recently they did the NCAA March Madness, and let me just go to it and actually show you. I earned 4 cents. I actually messed up a whole lot of my answers, and I got a whole lot of them wrong. The more you get right, the bigger your reward is. So if I go to the scoreboard, this person at the top, Aaron Gray, got 26 out of 26. So he picked he or she picked the whole entire matchups correctly. So they got all of these answers right, and they got $125 of the pot. So the more answers, like I said, you get right, the bigger piece of the pot you get. I've earned about $473 with this app so far. I've only been using this app really about 3 weeks. So it's pretty good for 3 weeks. You pay out through PayPal, or you can get an Amazon gift card, whichever one you prefer. So this app will be in the description below. You can go ahead and sign up for that. Also, let's go ahead and go into Dosh real quick. And this is what I was talking about with Dosh. You basically earn money for referring people. You have a refer button down here. Once you hit the refer button, you can start referring people directly to Dosh. These are some of the places that are in my area that if I go to and just use my card, I will get cash back, and it goes directly to my wallet. And all I will have to do is withdraw that money directly to my bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or whatever. And just some more proof, I'm actually going on my Venmo before I go ahead and talk about these other two apps in this video. You can see $25, and it says right here, download the Dosh app through this link right here and link a card and get a $5 bonus. I'll have that link in the description below. But you can just see 25, 20, another 30, another 50 right here, another 40, another 25, another 25, and more. So that is Dosh, that is Society. We already talked about 1Q. This is AppFlame, which is the $25 payment that I just showed you. And if I go down here and actually check it out, you can actually see that you get points by referring people, and you also get points by using these apps and keeping the apps open for minutes. So you can earn 180 coins per minute by keeping this app open or using it. And your payouts are determine how much you have in there. So right now, I have 24,780 points, which is enough to get a $2.50 payout through PayPal. The more points you earn by referring people, and the more points you earn by keeping these apps open and using them, you can actually earn a quick bit amount of money really fast. So that's AppFlame. The next one is Fresh Rewards. So this is really like 5 apps if you include 1Q, but we're not going to include 1Q. This is what I was talking about, and I'll give you my actual link. Like I said, not my link, but yeah, the link will be in the description below. But you need this code. So when you refer your friends to Fresh Rewards and they use your code, they're going to get 2,000 points on their very first receipt. So when you use my code right here, which is N8GNT, when you use this code, when you download the Fresh Rewards app and you scan your first receipt, and you basically scan the receipts from grocery stores that you've been to, you scan those receipts, they add it to there, they give you your points, but you're going to get 2,000 points if you use this code. So copy this code and actually use this code, you get 2,000 points. And those are the apps. So how do you refer people to these apps? And I'm going to end this video. Pretty simple. Matter of fact, let me just go on to Facebook. And I'm actually go ahead and actually show you some of the stuff that that I've been looking at so far. This is not a group. Let's see, internet marketing magic. Let me go to I'm trying to go to a Make Money Online group. So Make Money Online group. Okay, so you want to come here and you want to see what's working in here. So obviously these are just, they're basically spamming, but you want to find members that are, you want to look at the top posters that are in these groups. So I'm gonna see, can I find it? I don't think it's going to be down here, especially in this group right here. So they have their own thing going on right here. So I don't see any top posters that are in here. But basically, you would come in here and you would target people who want to make money online, and you would present these apps with your referral links. You would tell them something like contact you through your messages on Facebook. Now, you don't have to do this. Other ways to promote, I've talked about them: Instagram, Pinterest, other ways. But if you're really trying to get off to a fast start, you want to present an opportunity to people in these Make Money Online groups. Now, the more groups you're in, the more times you post, the more money you're going to make. You want to go into these groups and see what's working, see what's getting a whole lot of likes, see what's getting a whole lot of comments on, and you basically want to duplicate it and adjust it to the app that you're promoting, whatever app that is, whether there's AppFlame, Dosh, Society, Fresh Rewards, whatever. And you want to adjust that post, and you want to post in these groups, and people will come in and ask you how to get started. You don't want to show the company names. You don't want to show the app. You just want to show what you've made with it. And you want to tell people to contact you on Facebook message. They contact you on Facebook message. Now, everybody's not going to be able to sign up for all of these apps, but you just want to tell them, hey, contact me. And once you contact me, I will send you over the link to the app. You send them over the link to the app. They sign up under you. You make money. Now, like I said, this is not the only way to promote, but this is really one of the fastest ways to promote, because I've known people who, and these apps are free. All of these apps are free to download, so it's not like it's costing them anything. People are not going to be skeptical because these apps are free to download, so it's not no money up front or any cost involved with it. So the thing about this is it's going to actually help you get a whole lot of referrals starting out. However many referrals you get, you want to constantly use this method to promote. Now, the more, like I said, the more posts you make in these groups, the more you join, the more you put in the work to create these posts and get referrals, you're going to make the most money. The people that just download these apps and don't do anything are not going to make any money. And I'm just going to be real with you up front. If you download these apps and you just let them sit there, you don't do what the app tells you to do. You don't scan receipts. You don't go get cash back. You don't talk to people about the app. You don't try to get referrals. You're not going to make money with this app. Plain and simple. So if you're looking for a get rich quick scheme or a pyramid scheme, this is not it. These apps are free. I'm not asking for any money up front. These are free apps that you can join and get started with. In these groups, people are selling things or selling courses and stuff, and are actually making a legit income doing that. by doing this in this group. So you can't tell me, and I've actually seen results of other internet marketers that come in here and sell memberships for $100 or whatever, and all they do is promote in public groups like this, and they're making a whole lot of money. And that stuff is paid. That stuff has a cost involved to get started. The stuff you're trying to get referrals to, the people you're trying to get to sign up under you with these apps are free. So, you know, it's really on you. It's really on how much you want to hustle. It's really on how much you want to put in the work in order to be successful. If you don't work, you're not going to eat. Simple as that. You got to put in the work. You got to go out here and promote these apps. This is exactly a new method. This is exactly what you can add to what I've taught you about Instagram, Pinterest, or whatever. Increase your income by doing this. These apps will be in the description below. These are the best money making apps, money earning apps, however you want to say it. These apps do pay. So go ahead and get started. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this information. Also subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.